Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to examine the powerful health benefits of cabbage. Let's get started. While it may look a lot like lettuce, it actually belongs to the Brassica genus of vegetables, which includes broccoli, cauliflower, and kale. It comes in a variety of shapes and colors, including red, purple, white and green, and its leaves can be either crinkled or smooth. Additionally, it is loaded with vitamins and minerals and has so many health benefits, which includes: Number 1. Cabbage is packed with nutrients. Even though cabbage is very low in calories, it has an impressive nutrient profile. Calories, protein, fiber, vitamin K, vitamin C, folate, manganese, vitamin B6, calcium, magnesium. Cabbage also contains small amounts of other micronutrients, including vitamin A, iron and riboflavin, all of which are essential for many important processes in the body, including energy metabolism and the normal functioning of the nervous system. Number 2. It may help keep inflammation in check. Cruciferous vegetables like cabbage contain many different antioxidants that have been shown to reduce chronic inflammation. In fact, research has shown that eating more cruciferous vegetables reduces certain blood markers of inflammation. Number 3. Cabbage is packed with vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin that serves many important roles in the body. For instance, it's needed to make collagen, the most abundant protein in the body. Collagen gives strength to the skin and is critical for the proper functioning of the bones, muscles and blood vessels. Evidence suggests that a diet high in vitamin C-rich foods like cabbages is associated with a lower risk of certain cancers. Number 4. It helps improve digestion. If you want to improve your digestive health, fiber-rich cabbage is the way to go. This crunchy vegetable is full of gut-friendly insoluble fiber, a type of carbohydrate that can't be broken down in the intestines. Insoluble fiber digestive system healthy by adding bulk to stools and promoting regular bowel movements. Number 5. May help keep your heart healthy. Red cabbage contains powerful compounds called anthocyanins. They give this delicious vegetable its vibrant purple color. Increasing your intake of dietary anthocyanins has also been shown to reduce blood pressure and the risk of coronary artery disease. Number 6. May lower blood pressure. Cabbage contains potassium, which is an important mineral and electrolyte that the body needs to function properly. One of its main jobs is to help regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium in the body. Potassium helps excrete excess sodium through urine. Number 7. Could help lower cholesterol levels. Cabbage contains two substances that have been shown to decrease unhealthy levels of LDL cholesterol: soluble fiber and plant sterols. They are plant compounds that are structurally similar to cholesterol, and they reduce LDL by blocking and binding the absorption of cholesterol in the digestive tract. Number 8. Cabbage is an excellent source of vitamin K. Vitamin K is a key nutrient that plays many important roles in the body. One of its main functions is to act as a cofactor for enzymes that are responsible for clotting the blood. Without vitamin K, the blood would lose its ability to clot properly, increasing the risk of excessive bleeding. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.